Hi, if this is your first time here, welcome. To all others, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing paying off your mortgage or your car loan early. Now, how do you do that? If you are in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond, chances are at some point you may have had a car loan or a mortgage or some type of personal loan, even. And so, what the key is to paying off anything early or making accelerated payments, it basically involves paying more towards your principal. It's just that simple. So, when you look at your statement, whether you're looking online or you're looking at some type of paper statement or coupon book, if those are still around, of course, you can always look to see what the principal amount is paid. That amount is paid every month. So when you take a look at that, just think about this for a minute. You have a mortgage and you are looking at your statement. You see, most likely, you'll see principal, you'll see escrow, you'll see interest, you'll see all of those things that make up your total monthly payment. Same with your car loan. And I'm combining all of these just to give you an illustration. If you have an auto loan, you will be able to see in your statement, or if you're unable to see this online, you may be in a situation where you need to reach out to the lender. There's no problem in reaching out to the lender. Just go through your paperwork and find this information. If you have a personal loan, it is the same thing. If you do not see this information for the principal, then you will need to contact the lender. When you look at that information, you see the amount of the principal that is required for payment every month. You will notice that it may have an odd number, something that has 27 cents, 73 cents, or whatever. The key to paying extra or additional principal is to round up. Round up. You may decide to round up to the next $10, $5, $10, $25, $50. It's up to you depending on how much of a dent you want to put in something, okay? So take a look at that. And if you have questions, reach out, leave it in the comments, because of course, always remember that sharing is always showing that we are caring. And when you look at this information, this is just a quick summary of what you can do. You look at that principal amount and you decide how much extra you want to send. Now, you may need to reach out to the lender again to find out how you can make additional principal payments. What this does is it shortens the length of time that you will have to make payments because you're accelerating the payment. So just say, for instance, you have a principal amount on a mortgage, and whatever the amount is, again, it's say it's $625 or $925. You may decide that you want to round up to $25 to make it an even $950 or $650, whatever it is. You can apply that extra principal possibly at the time you make your payment, or you can make your regular payment and then go back and make an additional payment. If you're paying online, this should be easy to do. Whether it's for an auto loan, same thing. You will go in and you will round up. So if you want additional information about this, please reach out. I'm working on some things that will guide you in this process. But of course, if you have any questions, please leave those in the comments for the community. And I want to let you know that you should always remember that the sun is setting, but how far are you getting? Until next time, take care.